Good morning, guys. Welcome to our live trading session. It's 9 a.m., guys. London just opened, so it's a good timing for us. Let me know if you can hear me well, and I'm gonna start with our microeconomic calendar, of course, because we need to check news before every single session. This is quite important, especially if you are trading on a founded account, instant account. So yes, we're gonna check the news. I cannot see you guys. Anyone here? Don't should be working. Okay. Seconds, guys. We need to check if you can see me. 2 seconds. Okay, guys, it's all good. So let's do it. Let's make some money, guys. All right, I'm gonna open microeconomic calendar. I'm using forexfactory.com. You could use any other websites, economic calendar, investing.com, econoday.com. This one here, fxstreet.com. You will find many different websites, but they are usually showing the same news. And we're gonna use our AI Kindle because we got microeconomic calendar here. But I'm just waiting for update. The website is nearly finished. You can see it's looking pretty good. And of course, we got our commitment of traders reports, guys. Look at this. We can go into currency pair and we can see how smart money was positioning this week, last month. You know, we got a lot of information, so we can see what's changing over here. So we got non-commercial, commercial reports. So I'm not sure, maybe from next week we're gonna start using another strategies, money flow, and we're gonna open some swing positions. But yeah, I'm just waiting for a small update. So in the meantime, we're gonna use Forex Factory. Today is the 19th of February, and we are looking at high impact news. All of the high impact news are marked as red, like you can see red folders here. And in the morning, we had some unemployment rate in Australia. It doesn't matter anymore because that was early morning. But 2:30 p.m., we got some news coming up from United States about unemployment. Unemployment climbs. This is very important. You can see it's marked as red in the calendar. So I'm gonna try to avoid those news. If we're gonna have any positions open, we're gonna close them before that news and maybe reopen after, or maybe just look for some new trades after. Okay. All right. So nothing else in the calendar. Later on, crude oil inventories, it's moved to 6 p.m. Usually, I think we got this kind of news around 4 p.m. It's been moved a little bit, so 6 p.m. crude oil inventories. So if you're gonna decide to, you know, trade on crude oil, be aware of those news. It's not marked as red, but it can have impact on crude oil. So just be careful, guys. All right, we're gonna start from our standard targets. We're gonna on today's session, we're gonna use few different strategies. We're gonna start from all-in ASAP strategy, which is working very well in the morning, so it's a good timing for us. On top of that, we're gonna use smart money concept, and yes, I think we're gonna focus on those two strategies. It's a good timing, guys. It's 9 a.m., 9:05, so London just opened, Europe is open, so you know, price should start moving right now. And let's start from Euro USD. Okay. I want to first check if we got any important targets from all-in ASAP strategy. First, we're gonna check the standard targets from the previous day. So we need to go to 1 hour time frame. Just remove everything. Okay, so daily target. Nice. We got target, guys, here. Look at this target. Oh, where is it? Oh, come on. It's gone now. That was very nice target, guys. 1 second. Let me just double check. We got open, high, and low. No, unfortunately, we don't have a target here. I thought we're gonna have a target. I wanted to set order for reaction because we got some support zone. But we're gonna have target here, but we don't have targets. Okay, don't worry. We're gonna check different hours. So let's check 7 a.m. first, and let's see what we got. We need to go, if we are using this kind of targets, we need to go to lower time frame. Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning. So this one is done. We can check one more, 9 a.m. Okay, and let's have a look. Boom. The target is here, but it's too close for us. If the price, probably the price will go down and this target will be settled, unless we're gonna go higher somewhere, and then we're gonna have more space to use that target. But at the moment, we're gonna leave it. We got a few other currency pairs we can check, gold, crude oil. So we're gonna focus on that, and maybe later we're gonna come back to this one. Okay, so Euro USD, not. We cannot use this target, not this strategy, but if you look at Asian session, okay, the box from the open of the day till 8 a.m. Central East time, right? Central East time. Yeah, when the London, sorry, Europe is opening, we got into liquidity zone. So guys, this is very important zone, and we can try to use one of our setup to go down to the other side of liquidity. So we are not too far. So we're gonna check that in the second. I'm gonna explain you this in more detail in the second, but I don't want to miss anything. So we're gonna check some other targets. Let's check GBPUSD. Okay. Nice. We got targets. Where is it? Target is here. Look at this, guys. We are getting close to the target. We need one more thing to set order for reaction. We need cluster at the target. Let's check it out. Oh, come on. No way. It doesn't work. All right, we are getting close. The targets doesn't work. Let me just remove this tool and I'm gonna put that back again. Load. Hello, hello guys. Okay, where is it going? Oh. No, it looks like we don't have a cluster here. Why I'm asking about cluster? Because usually when we got cluster close to the target, we can set order for reaction for 10 pips. But I cannot see any clusters. Guys, if you have only all-in panel, because I don't know, something, it doesn't work. It's showing me one. Maybe we got cluster here. If you got access to all-in panel, let me know if you got cluster somewhere around this target, okay? Let me know on the chat. Yes, no. Because I'm just thinking about setting order for reaction. All right. Okay, this is standard target. We cannot use it. It's too close. We can only use it for reaction, only if we have cluster here. There's no cluster. Thanks, Wojtas. Okay, so we're gonna leave it. I don't care about this one. I need some confirmation. Target is not confirmation. Cluster is a confirmation. Good if you got cluster or volume level in this area, it's working pretty good. Okay, let's check some different targets, properties, load 9. Oh, we have a target down the bottom. And we can try to use this target. Why not, guys? Why not? All we need in this case usually is simple trend line. We can, mix two strategies. Sometimes I'm using smart money concept and my target is at the target from this strategy. How to get all-in panel. If you are in our community in the mentoring program, you can get access. Just contact support. You don't need to have basically access to our Discord. Just contact AllinTraders, support.allintraders.com, and they will explain you how you can get all-in panel, this panel here. Okay, we got target, which is very good, 24 pips away. To be honest, I don't like this target. You know why? Because I'm in position from here. I'm already opened the trade in the morning, and my take profit is much, much higher. Let me just check where is my take profit. 35582. It's here. I got my take profit up here. Very small risk. I think I got more than 1 to 5, 1 to 7. 1 to 7 risk reward, but that trade was open in the morning, so break even is set. So hopefully they're gonna go higher. So I don't like this target, but we cannot focus on one direction, because sometimes we focus on one direction, we think the market will go up, and because we are trying to focus on this direction, the price is doing something else and we are missing out setups, and I don't want to miss this setup. So there is a chance the price will go down to this target. My break even is at the target, so okay, we will see. It doesn't matter for now. Okay, so we can also check Asian session. You can see this is Asian session box, 21 pips from the high to low, 21.5 pips, and we are entering the liquid zone. Yes, liquid zone is the zone above Asian session box. This is our liquid zone. And let me change color. 1 second, guys. Okay. So this is our liquid zone, and we got some liquid zone on the other side. It's working very well. If you look at Asian and European session, I know this European box is doesn't include the whole Euro session, okay, only part, but it's working very good. And you can see that we are grabbing liquidity from Asian session and we are going opposite. It's working all the time, most of the time, okay. You can see we grab some liquidity from here, from the bottom, reaction. So it's happening all the time, and we're gonna try to use that session box to go opposite here. They grabbed US open, we went up and down. So we're gonna try to use it. All right. So we have our Asian box. We enter the liquidity zone. We got the trend line, which is good. So usually we are waiting for the price to break through and retest sometimes this trend line and sometimes some kind of support resistance zone. And we might have a chance to get to the target. But let's have a look at 1 hour time frame. I want to check what's going on from higher time frame. Okay. Do we have any rotation channel? Let's have a look. Why your target is higher? What do you mean? This one here? It's low. We got one target from standard hours, so from previous day. Target is somewhere here. This is different target from different hours, okay? So we got few different types of targets we can use. And the statistics for this one is 82%. So we got 82% chances that the price will come back here today. Okay. And for now, I'm hoping that that 20%, 18%, when the price is not coming back, it's gonna be today, because you know I'm in position, so I don't want them to come back. Okay, it doesn't matter. We need to be flexible, guys. So we're gonna make a plan anyway. 1 hour time frame. Let's have a look if we got any rotation channel. We can start from the bottom, from the top. It doesn't really matter. We're gonna check how this is working. It looks pretty good, I can say. The price was moving in the rotation channel. You can see up and down. We got some reactions from the bottom. Here we had some undershoot. That's normal. Another undershoot. That is not normal. Usually we got one undershoot and the price is going opposite, and we might have overshoot on the other side. But here, unusual situation. We can see the price twice went down. I just want to check if this working. No, it doesn't work. Doesn't make sense. Okay, don't worry. So the price was in a rotation channel. We went down. Here they grabbed some liquidity. I've used that zone also to enter the trade. It's, you know, that was 2 days ago. It's a day target. No, this target is from 2 to 9. Okay, so here we had some liquidity. Okay, the price is coming back now. So let's try to find some place where the price can stop, basically. Okay. So if we look at the left-hand side and we're gonna check the latest swings, let's say latest, okay, we got some kind of support resistance zone over here. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. Maybe something like this. I'm gonna change the color because this is the area where the price can stop, and we're gonna try to use that area. Okay, so this is 1 second. Okay, so this is some kind of support resistance zone. As you know, support resistance zone can support price, can be a support for sellers or buyers. So this can be support for sellers. If we're gonna break through, I'm pretty sure that we can get to the other side of this rotation channel. But first, we need to break through. And if we won't break through, we're gonna use that to get to our target from today. All right, so let's move on to 1 hour time frame. Where is the price? We are in this area. You can see we are entering the support resistance zone from higher time frame. Okay, so support and zone for our time frame. Okay, so know what this area is. This is support resistance zone from H4. The price is going up so good, guys. Oh, yes. Perfect. Perfect. Hopefully they're gonna go higher and higher. All right. So this is our resistance zone from a higher time frame. We know Asian session box. We know liquidity zone on both sides. Okay, we enter the liquidity zone on this side, and we are getting close to the rotation channel, but we are outside that rotation channel. Okay, so this is undershoot. We are getting close, and this area can react, because this is rotation channel and support resistance zone. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen in this area, because if there will be reaction, we're gonna try to use it to get to our target. Okay, so we're gonna make a plan in the second. I just want to switch to 1 hour time frame. Sorry guys for that, but I need to check it. No, okay. All right, what we have on here. This zone can be important. I'm gonna mark it like this. Okay, this is quite important. When we look at this impulse and we're gonna break it down, this might be quite important area, so we can expect basic reaction, but I'm not worried too much about this area, because we might have reaction. This reaction doesn't have to be like this, market reversal. No, it can be small reaction. So when we get here, there is a chance we're gonna retest this support resistance zone, and then we're gonna have a space to go up. But we don't know that yet, of course. So we know what's going on GBPUSD, and we can make a plan. 1 second. Okay. So if we want to get to the target, which is down the bottom right here, we need to see reaction. So we need to see the price to go down and maybe retest trend line, or maybe it's gonna be some kind of support resistance zone, and we're gonna try to use nice bearish candle, and we're gonna try to enter the trade. Risk to reward will be 1 to 2. I'm not trying to use lower risk to reward. I'm trying to stick to 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 5, sometimes 1 to 7. So this is pretty much okay. So let me just make a screenshot. We're gonna put that in our trading journal, and we're gonna save it, of course. This PC today is, let me just create a folder. Live sessions. Today is 19th of February. Okay, 26. All right, 19th, and this is GBPUSD. Basics. Okay. So let's put that in trading journal. It's gonna be first trade of the first plan of the day. GBP. We want to go down. Strategy. Let's say ASAP. Lot size. Not sure yet, so we're gonna enter the rest of the informations later. So for this moment, it's random. Okay. 1902 2026. Okay, close times. All right, stop loss. Big profit. Risk probably 0.25 of my account. Okay. Usually we can use like 0.5 or 0.1. Sorry, 1%. Okay, because I got a big account, I'm using lower risk. Okay, so this is AllinTraders live session 19th GBP USD. Okay, so what I'm waiting for, I'm waiting for the price to for reaction at support and resistance zone, then breakout through trend line, and then I will look for perfect entry. Okay, I'm gonna save it. It's trading plan, save. Okay, because we got few options. We can go down now, you know, we can see breakout, we can see retest of the trend line, then we're gonna have a chance. Or there is a chance, you know, we're gonna break through, and maybe this is gonna be our support line, retest, and to get to the target. So we will see, all right? We will see. First plan is done. Let's have a look at other currency pairs. Maybe let's move to gold. We're gonna come back later to the other ones. Or in panel, load. No. Let's check from 7. Okay, we got target down the bottom with the statistics of 82%. So this is pretty good, and we're gonna try to use this target. Why not? We can do it like this to catch those swings, but this can work better, guys, okay? Because if we're gonna drop, there is a chance we're gonna bounce from here. So I will leave it like this. It's gonna be better for me, because when we look on the left hand side, we got some support zone. And you can see that support we went through, and the price is retesting this zone right here, okay? All right. So for us, it's gonna be better if we're gonna break through and retest trend line and this support zone, and we're gonna try to get to this target. A pretty simple setup, I can say. But be aware, guys, because gold is going higher and higher. Yesterday, strong move up. I think yesterday we done quite a lot. 1,500 pips. That is a lot. And we can see continuation today. We can check how many legs are done from higher time frame. So we got one here. This is the second one, and there is a chance we're gonna get to the third one. Okay, so we are not too far. First leg, second leg, and the third leg. And the third leg finishes in liquidity zone, guys. Look at this. This is our liquid zone. So maybe we're gonna have a plan for later. Why not? Yeah, we can try to use it later. If the 3 legs, if we done 3 legs, we might look for reversal. Okay, so if the price will go get here today, we're gonna look for some nice trade opposite direction. But that can be for later, so let's leave it for now. Do you use trailing stop when you use strategy? No, I don't use trailing stop. To be honest, I don't like trailing stop. Trailing stop is okay if you don't have time to look at the charts. Let's say you open position and you, I don't know, you are going to work. Okay, you can set trailing stop to secure your trade, but let's say there is 20 pips. Okay, let's say we got 20 pips to the target. And you're gonna set stop loss for 10 pips, okay? Trailing stop for 10 pips. Here is entry. Here is entry. So you're gonna set trailing stop for 10 pips. The price will go down. you're gonna be halfway to the take profit. Your trailing stop will activate, price will come back, gonna close your position, and they're gonna get here. So sometimes it's better just to leave stop loss. Like yesterday, I made mistake. I made mistake because on crude oil, guys, I was entering position. I'm not sure exactly which area. It doesn't matter. I think it was somewhere around here in the morning. This area, and I had stop loss here. Okay, so the price was going up, down, and after this move right here, I had more than 1-to-1, so I decided to secure trade for break even, and I put stop loss on break even, so in the place where I entered the trade. And look what happened. The price came back, they closed my position, and look what happened. So, and the same is with trailing stop. Gold's got 2 targets. Let's have a look if the gold has 2 targets. Maybe from different hours. Let's check from previous day. Maybe yes. Yes, there is target. Nice. 2 targets. We are getting close to that target. It's looking good, but I don't like to open positions from 1 hour time frame because at the moment we are too far from exponential moving average. So it's better to wait for the price to come back to moving average. Look at here. The price is bouncing from exponential moving average. So at the moment we are too far unless we're gonna move to lower time frame. And we're gonna check it out from lower time frame. Let's check it out. USDJPY going down, GBP. Okay. Looking at JPY because also I got position on JPY. Go down. Sometimes, guys, I place trades in the morning, like 7 a.m., sometimes 8 a.m., 1 or 2 trades, because I'm using 3 different accounts, okay? One account is for live trading sessions, which you can see what I'm doing, and the other 2 accounts you don't see what I'm doing, and usually I place trades early morning on those accounts, and I'm done for the day. So let's say sometimes when I open it 7 a.m., I'm just waiting for profits or stop losses sometimes, of course, and I do not trade on them later on, just in the morning, early morning, and nothing else. It's done. Okay. So where are we at? I wanted to check gold. Okay. I want to check gold because I want to check if we can find a place to set order to go up. Okay. This zone here, I think we touched this level already. Another zone can be here. Let's have a look. No. No, no, no. I don't like it. What about this one here? Okay. What level is that? I've got two nice zones. I'm gonna mark them and we're gonna see if there will be reaction, but I'm not setting pending order because I'm not sure about them. Yesterday, the zone worked perfectly because the trade was activated here, guys. Look, this is zone from yesterday. The trade was activated here to go up. So perfect entry. And I want to see entry like this. I want to set order, but I don't like this and this one. Maybe if we're gonna have some volume level in this area, yes. If not, I'll leave it. Okay, let's check volume levels. Two volume levels in this area. Oh, no, no volume levels in any of those areas. So no, I don't like it. No. I don't like it. Mm -mm 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 -mm. No, no, I'm confused. So when I'm confused, I do not trade, okay? Because I'm not sure. If I'm not sure, I'm gonna leave it. It's looking good, this one and that one. I will leave those areas just for observation. So later on, we can check if this area work or not. But it can be good, this one here or this one, but not at this moment. Not at this moment. So let's go back to MT4 and let's focus on the situation what we have on gold right now. We can see the price got into liquid zone, so they grab some liquidity from Asian session. And if we want to use the target which is down the bottom, we need to look for a few things. 7 a.m. Imbalances, yes, not for this target, okay? When I'm using the target, I don't look at imbalances. No, because I don't want to complicate it too much, okay? Sometimes it's just a simple trend line and we don't need anything else. We don't need anything else. So we got some support resistance on here because we got nice swing. So what I'm waiting for right now is the setup will be very simple. We need to break through. If we're gonna break through, basically market structure changed already from lower time frame. We got swing here, so we can say the market structure is bullish from lower time frame, but this swing is more important probably because it's more visible. So if we're gonna go down, I'm gonna wait for the retest of the trend line and support line. After reaction, we're gonna go straight to the target with the stop loss above this area and risk to reward 1, 2, 2. So I'm gonna look for a situation like this. I'm gonna make a screenshot and let's put it in trading journal. Add new trade. Instrument gold. We want to go down. Strategy basic sell. Lot size not sure yet. profit. I'm gonna change that later. At the moment, price doesn't matter because I'm not sure where we're gonna open that position. 2026. Risk probably 0.25. Just file. Okay, trading plan. Let's save the screenshot. And two plans for today. First one on GBPUSD. That's the first plan. And the other plan on gold. It's similar. You can see it's very similar. Oh, yes. USDJPY is going down. Perfect, guys. Perfect. I want to show you because I've in the trade on USDJPY and I want to, it's too late now for entry, basically, but I want to explain to you how I did it. I'm usually watching also US dollar index, so you can see we are moving in some kind of rotation channel, and we got to the top of that rotation channel. Okay, there was reaction, so I jump into USDJPY, 5 minutes time frame, and look at this trend line. This is trend line from basically yesterday swing and today because the price was bouncing from this area. So I drew that simple trend line and I was waiting for the breakout so we can see the price went through. We got some imbalances left behind. So I was waiting for the price to get to at least this imbalance here. This is support resistance zone and this candle right here to enter the position. Stop loss and take profit, trust me, it's very low because now I'm not using 1 to 2 risk to reward, usually it's much bigger. So my take profit on USDJPY, it's at level 153786, 153786. Yes, it's somewhere around here. I've entered the position here with stop loss and my take profit is down the bottom. Probably I will secure the trade or close half of the position later, I will see. But yes, it's low. It's low. Okay, the trade is secured already, so nothing to worry about. What else do we have? Okay, gold, crude oil. What's going on crude oil? Crude oil is going crazy, guys. Crude oil is going crazy since yesterday. Object list all. They need to stop somewhere because look at this impulse. It's crazy. They are not even getting close to exponential moving average. They just going straight up. Okay, so where they can go, where they can stop. We are getting to the area of support resistance zone, this one here, and this is liquid zone. So basically we can mark two zones because they can react somewhere in this area. So this is support resistance zone. So we need to watch this area also. They don't need to get into liquid zone. Remember, guys, they don't need to do nothing. This is support resistance zone, and higher we got some liquid zone. And we are getting close to that area. So I'm gonna look for reversal after entering liquid zone probably. And when I got areas like this, we don't need to enter this zone. I can do it from here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jump on the trading view. I'm gonna check the footprint and I'm gonna try to use footprint as a confirmation that the sellers are coming into the market. Usually from 5 minutes time frame is okay. So I'm gonna look for a specific pattern using order flow to enter the position. So I'm looking for one specific candle. If I spot that candle and delta also will be bearish, sometimes it can be bullish. It doesn't matter actually, because if the delta is bullish, okay, this is bearish delta, but if the delta is bullish and we got bearish candle, that means someone is pushing the price down. Something is going on, and usually one of the patterns, one of the candle and setup is ready. Stop loss is very tight, and we can go at least 1 to 2, even more. So yeah, we are in the zone where I'm gonna look for that situation. All right. What's going on with my GBP? GBP is going higher. Good. Okay. Well, let's go back to crude oil. So crude oil, I don't want to use any targets at this moment. I don't think we have any targets. No, it's done. So we are going higher. So I'm looking for trade somewhere around this area. Order. Okay. So the price can drop very fast, okay? Because if we're gonna get here, it might be something like this. It doesn't have to be like this, but it can be. So I can get prepared for that. So sometimes I'm using just this trend line, usually from lower time frame. So if you're gonna have some trend line here, maybe like this. Sometimes I set pending order for the breakout. If we're gonna break through this trend line, they can do it quick. So, you know, I can be in position and it can help. But at the moment, we don't have any targets, so we cannot use this only in ASAP strategy. I can only use smart money using order flow, but I need to get to this area. So I'm gonna leave it for now. Crude oil. Guys, we got around 10 minutes time, so we can check one more instrument probably. Which instrument would you like me to check? I'm talking about major currency pairs. Gold, crude oil is done. We can check one more. Let me just check this one here. Indicators. Crude oil, do we have any target? Sorry, USD CAD, we do have a target, okay? And we are getting close to the volume level, which is even better. Oh. This volume level is around 50% of the whole impulse. You can go to 1 hour time frame. You can see this impulse here. It's a 50%. We got volume level right here. Okay, this is good. This is good because this is the place where the price can reverse. So if we're gonna get here, we might expect reaction and maybe the price will go higher. We got Asian session, so we got into liquid zone, zone of liquidity. We entered this area, so we can expect reaction. For now, this trend line is good, but there's not much space. If we're gonna break through and we're gonna wait for the retest, guys, not much space for me. I don't like when it's so tight. So we cannot do it unless we're gonna go lower because we got target. We got we have volume level down the bottom, and if we're gonna do something like this, we're gonna have more space. So in this case, I can open the position, but first I want to see the price getting into this volume level. This is 50% of impulse from higher time frame, and we can do it. We can also check if there is any rotation channel from higher time frame. We're gonna do it from the top because it's gonna be easier to catch those swings. Rotation channel is looking good, I can say, but where are we at? We're somewhere around 50% of this rotation channel. From here to go up, okay, we have a chance, but maybe it's gonna be better for the price to get somewhere around this area to look for some long positions. That's maybe, I think for me, it's gonna be better idea. So guys, I'm looking for perfect situation because I'm only place 2-3 trades a day. Depends, sometimes 2 trades on one account and 2 trades on the other. On each account, I can place up to 2 trades, usually, on each account. So total 6 trades. 6 trades is crazy because I don't usually open 6 trades, but I can maximum open 2 trades on each account. So I got 2 trades open already, GBP and USDJPY. This is not looking that good. I can see GBP is slowly going down, guys. I don't like it because if we're gonna get to this target, I will hit break even. I don't want to do that. So I can secure the trade, but no, my entry is very good at the low, so no, I'm gonna wait. But that is only on the other account. So on this account, we can look for the setup which we were waiting for. So I was waiting for this situation, and we are getting close to the trend line. The price stopped at the trend line. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna break through. If yes, we're gonna look for the trade. Excuse me, guys. This is some kind of support zone. Hopefully they're gonna go up. How the DXY looks like. DXY is slowly going down. No. Don't break. We are breaking through, which is no good. I don't like it. I know we might have a chance to open the trade, but no. We will see. British pound, AI volume. Let's have a look. We got some volumes on. I hope it's gonna hold the price to go up. We'll see. We stopped at this moment, but yeah, we might come back here somewhere around targets. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Euro GBP can be good, probably, for the same setup. Right here, because the trend line is gonna look like this. Oh, this is the target. Sorry, guys. No, it's done. No, 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 no. GBP is breaking through. That is no good. No good for me, of course. I know they're breaking through, but it's not the time to enter the trade yet. We are waiting, guys. We are waiting. Price need to come back up and reaction to go down. At the moment, this is liquid zone. Also, this is some kind of support zone for buyers, so we can bounce from here. No rush. We need to be patient, guys. 38.2. Okay. Not yet. Not yet, guys. Even if we're gonna drop down here, I'm not gonna enter the position. No, we need to wait for the price to come back. Then maybe we're gonna use this imbalance and we're gonna go down. We need a space, okay? At the moment, the price is reacting, which is good. It's 38.2. I'm happy with that. Let them go up. The only thing what can stop me from getting to my full take profit, which is quite high, is this zone here. If we're gonna break through, pretty sure I'm gonna be okay. Oh, it's 2 to 10, guys. We're gonna start our live trading session at our Discord channel in 2 minutes time, so we need to finish. We got two plans. Basically, we can look for the gold. If we're gonna break through, we're gonna look for the simple setup to get to the target, and also GBPUSD, same. Okay, we got trend line. The price went through, but we need retest maybe this area after reaction. We can try to go down, but wait, guys, you know, we need to wait for the right candle for the retest, so do not enter too early. Take your time, no rush. And crude oil, I'm gonna look for the order flow, because we are entering the zone where we can expect reaction. So guys, for now that's it. We need to be patient. We are looking for the best setup because we want to make some profits. We don't want stop losses, so sometimes we need to wait for the setup. I'm gonna look for GBPUSD, also gold and crude oil. And if not, later we're gonna try again another session. Sometimes it's better to wait for US session. Market is moving a little bit better sometimes. I cannot say it's bad today, but you know, no rush, guys. Thank you. thank you for now. And guys, we can move to Discord channel, and later on 2 p.m. we're gonna have another live trading session. So it's gonna be on YouTube as well, so you can join us, and hopefully we're gonna open some trades during next session. So for now, that's it, guys. Thank you for your time, and I will see you